So last week when we posted the video about the Pocket Rack EDC organizer, we got quite a few responses in the comment section. I think we've had close to 20,000 viewers of this first video, which was I'm really thankful for, and it's amazing. Um, but it's really interesting to get this information out and get feedback from, and that's the goal of this whole thing. So one of the people who had responded in the comment section was Donald Strader. And he wrote, I could see myself using a smaller section that would hold one item on each side to attach to a keyring. On that section, I would keep a pair of scissors and perhaps some other small items or tools on the other side, such as a couple of bits or a P38 can opener. So this was pretty interesting. So he's talking basically about making a key organizer and an EDC organizer on one little rack. So it would take the existing rack that we have right now and kind of make it really, really small. And so I ran it by my wife and she said, why don't you just make it? So I did, and this is what it looks like. So this is the little key organizer, EDC organizer. I've got two brass keys on here. I used a brass screw through to the other side. I also have washers that are set up in there. They're all brass as well. And there's a small plastic ring inside as well to kind of tension the two screws when they're in there. This is the drawer that comes out of the unit. It's a little tiny tin box. You've probably seen these in Altoids tins quite a bit. You can put any number of things in here. It could be a little, button light if you want. You could put meds in there. You could put, aspirin, all kinds of things. So he had also mentioned that he was interested in something that would hold bits because he's got, I guess, a bit driver separately. So this is a little box that you can pick up from, was it Craters? I can't remember exactly where it was. I'll put it down in the comment section. But it fits right on the back. Again, this stuff attaches really, really tightly on the back, but it also has the option with this little setup to put in these bands. You can see the band that's on the Swiss Army knife right now. Those bands they look like they're really flimsy. They're not. I had just had these shipped in. They're incredibly strong. I'm going to probably do a weight test on them to see how much they will hold. But this is, I pop the tin box back on again. Again, I'll pop a light in here. This is just a regular button light. But the box it locks in place very nicely. And if you ever I had a couple that were loose and I just put a little electric tape inside where it connects, and it created more friction, so it locks in really, really tightly. The keys, they separate really nicely. They're very tightly in there. You can adjust the tightness if you want. And this is what the final rack look like. Again, this is on ABS plastic. You could use Kydex as well, which I've used, and I thought it came out really nice. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, or leave a message in the comment section. Look forward to hearing from you.